herself, bringing alive the Bangla culinary skills. And to kindly join us, make yourself comfortable at the chairs as we are about to commence and begin the celebration of Bangla Gastronomy.
So I have to thank you first because you have given me yet another chance to have another book.
And with that, congratulations to you, Ananya Banerjee, the author of Bangla Gastronomy, the publishers, Popular Prakashan.
Ananya is the best cook so far I know.
I think my favorite definitely is
Don't say posto.
Koshwa Mangsho.
Koshama. I hope my friends will feed me and cook everything that's in the book for me.
Done deal.
Some time back, Ananya gave me a call saying that she started a show called AB Karda and she'd like to have me on the show. I said, wonderful. I said, how do you manage to do butter chicken lasagna? So I cooked with her butter chicken lasagna and it was really awesome.
It was great fun shooting with you.
First of all, heartiest congratulations to Ananya.
What do you think stands out for you when you're eating Indian non-Bengali meal?
To me, like Ananya said, it was the simplicity of the food, which is more important.
Thanks Crossword as usual for all that you do to support.
Thank you all. Thank you very much.